Hi there, welcome to the newer section of Power Query in Power BI. In this section, we are going to discuss how to combine or append multiple CSV or Excel files from a single folder. Suppose we are getting monthly sales data in single Excel file every month for analysis. And all these files are same nature, means the files have same number of columns, same data type, and the columns are arranged in the same way. So in each and every file we'll get 4 columns: row ID, order ID, product name and sales. And the columns will be arranged in the same way and it will contain same data type. Right now we have 3 files: January, February and March. And we may get more files in future. And we want to consolidate these files to make a single Excel file for analysis. We can combine all these files easily in Power Query with few clicks. First of all, we have to create a single folder and put all the Excel files in that folder. Here, I have already kept these files in a single folder. Now let's go to Power Query editor page to combine all these 3 Excel files. Go to Home tab, then New Source, then More option, then select this folder option from here. Then connect. Here we can paste the path of the folder where Excel files are kept, or we can browse the folder from here. Select the folder, then click OK. Then OK. Here we are getting the information or metadata about the folder where Excel files are kept. The file names are February, January, March. The extension is Excel. Date access, date modified, date created, attribute and folder path. Here we get 2 options: combine and transform data and transform data. Let's discuss about these 2 options one by one. Let's select combine and transform data. In sample file, we can see all the 3 files. And here by clicking on this sheet, we can see the preview of the data. Just click OK over here. Here in sales file, we can see all the records from all the 3 Excel files. In source name column, we can see the file name: February, January, March, etc. In each Excel file, we have 10 records. I have done that purposefully so that it will be easier to understand. Here you can see that 5 columns and 30 rows. We can also count the rows. For that, go to Transform tab, then Table, then Count rows. So the row count is 30. So we have got all the records from all the 3 files. We can combine as many records as we want. We have discussed about combine and transform data. Let's discuss about transform data. Select transform data option. Here we will get the information about the folder where we kept the Excel files. The file name, extension, date accessed, date modified, date created, attributes and folder path. But the datas are not combined yet. To combine the data, go to Home tab, then Combine Files. Here in sample files, you will get all the file names. You can select file and select the sheet from here to get the preview of the data. Then click OK. Here in sales files table, we can see all the records from all the 3 Excel files. Now, what if we'll get a new sales data file for the month of April? Just put the file in the folder, then go to Home tab, then Query, then Refresh Preview, then select this Refresh Preview. Here in the sales file table, we can see all the 4 months record from January to April. And in the source name column, we can see that April, February, January, and March record is there. In this way, we can automate the consolidation of files in Power Query. In Power BI Desktop, we have to refresh the data manually every time a new file is added to the folder. But once we publish the data in Power BI server, we can automate the refresh as well. That's all for this video. Thank you.